you're gonna want to get a container, and you're gonna need some bone and some soft soap, and the pen container to be next. Okay, so you're gonna do your container, your soap. You're gonna take a little bit of the bone because the bone goes crazy, like wicked. You're gonna put it in your container, just a little bit. That's good. This is probably a good amount. If you want to put more, if you want to put less, you also can. Then you're going to take a soft soap and you're going to put it in the container. It doesn't really matter how much you put. You can pause. You can put the same amount of the bone, so it really doesn't matter. Then you're going to take a little bit of water. It doesn't matter what water you use. So you see, I didn't put a lot, from the surface, and then you're just going to mix it. And then when you get a soapy consistency, you can start putting it on your face. Some people say to make sure it's funny, but it will probably get in your mouth. But what you're gonna do, make sure you're gonna put some, and you're gonna make sure this. You're gonna make sure that it's kind of in the back of your mouth. And then you're gonna wait until it's in the center, so you're not gonna do the damage. So you're just gonna if you see that shiny, that means that you're good. So see that? That means it's ready. Right there. Yeah. And then put it down. I could find so much energy. I don't know how to do it. Yeah, I just need to put that on. Bye.